Welcome to Redneck Mayhem.
Microwave killed my...
Please, do not try this at home.
We have a light bulb here, and we decided we're going to microwave it. So if you follow me to the microwave. How long should we put it in there for?
I don't know, about 2 minutes, probably take care of it.
Oh man, it's lighting up. Oh, it's green. Oh, come out here, look at this thing, dude.
There's some wild colors going on in there.
Yeah. We got blue.
Getting ready to pop, I can tell it. It's a coming.
Oh man, it's growing something on top of it. You see it? Well, there, kill it. That was a light bulb. Let's go check out the mayhem. Yeah, I got it. It's hot.
Yeah, a little bit.
That's it.
Soft white, 75 watts.
I believe it has more than 75 watts there.
This has been a Wooey production.